Welcome to Fagor Professionals videos. We are going to give a tutorial on how to use our iCore oven in the concept range, in which the way to manage the recipes and use the additional functions will be presented. The Recipes button takes us to Fagor Recipes Center. Additional functions and recipe management. On the first screen, which displays the Fagor Recipes Center, you will see the 8 food families where the recipes are classified: meat, poultry, seafood, vegetables, rice, pasta and pulses, egg and dairy products, and finally pastries and bakery items. The second screen displays the 8 additional functions available in the iCore concept range. Finally, from the third screen, the additional recipes can be managed, creating, editing, deleting, importing or exporting item.